Oh, the light's gonna turn off.
See, we're seasoned now.
And stay on.
And stay on.
Welcome back to Restart's YouTube channel. My name is Nika.
I'm Aubrey.
And today we're going to be making dosed Jello shots with Batch. She's 100 milligrams of Delta-9 THC. We are going to be doing our orange flavor today, but we also have strawberry and pineapple. So really get creative with the flavors if you're going to try this out at home. But today we're going to be doing a cranberry orange.
Yes, it's going to be delicious. It's going to be jello-y. Let's get into it. All right, so for today's recipe, you will need Jello of any flavor you'd like. We're using Restart's Batch 100 milligram juice, 1 cup of water, and then a stovetop or a hot plate and a mixing bowl.
So what's the steps? I guess first we need to boil the water, huh?
First step is going to be boiling the water. So if you want to turn it on,
I don't know if it's
that's a
on.
bougie on button. Let's just do max. Oh, but let me put my water.
Gas.
I've never used a hot plate before, so excited.
It's already bubbling. Oh my god.
Wow.
We're gonna have Jello in seconds.
I know. That's the best part about Jello shots is it only takes a couple minutes to make.
I feel like I was reading the box and they kind of have changed Jello. Didn't you used to have to like boil it and stir it for a little bit? But this says add boiling water to the gelatin, which makes me think that the gelatin should be in here.
Exactly.
It's always not.
Yeah,
I think so.
So we're gonna open up the Jello packet and put it into our mixing bowl. Try not to make a mess.
And the water is already starting to boil. We love to see it.
So we're gonna add 1 cup of boiling water and stir for 2 minutes. And then now comes the fun part. You're gonna pour the half cup of orange mix, and it says half cup of cold water. So we're still gonna need half a cup of cold water.
Yeah, because this is only half cup.
Wow.
It's really bad.
I know, it really is. Let me pour this.
Righty.
I'm gonna stop it now.
Kareel ends up like, ugh. Or else it's just gonna evaporate.
It just shatters the bowl.
It might. Unless.
All right, where should I put
But it
this?
kind of smells weird. You could just honestly just put it there. It's hot, it's hot. While you're stirring that, I'm gonna get the batch ready to mix up. So it's only 4 ounces, so we're still gonna need another half a cup of water, and we're gonna put ice in it too, per the Jello instructions.
And then when stirring the Jello, you just wanna make sure you get all the chunks out, so it should look like just juice. It looks like blood. Yeah, the cranberry does kind of smell weird.
You think that's enough ice?
Yeah. Just show. And then you're just gonna what? Just shake it up or?
You just have to pour the batch in, and then I'm like stepping my eyes. I hate that feeling.
Me too, except for with rice. If I get rice on the ground or my foot touches it.
Yeah.
We're going for effect here, y'all. Not flavor.
I mean, this kind of, I don't even think we need to add another
Cup of water?
another half cup, because once you add the ice to this, it really like evens out to a cup. So just fill up the ice to a cup line and then pour the batch in, and don't add any extra water.
Yeah.
If you want to make it the way that we're making it.
Yeah. The stoner way. All right, so we're just stirring in the ice cold batch. All right, now comes the chaotic part. We have to pour this into these small 1 ounce ramekins.
Maybe we should try to pour it into this, and then we could.
Oh, genius, genius. What is it? Just hold this in place real quick so I can.
Money.
Booyah. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. It's not even an ounce.
It's just funny. I wasn't expecting that much to be there. I thought it was just like a drip.
I really thought I crushed that, y'all.
When I picked it up, the handle felt like it was just hanging on by a thread. So I was like, is there like a crack in it?
Like melt it because it's still hot. I'm gonna have to like put the ramekin like right up to it, I feel.
Yeah, it's gonna be a toughie, that's for sure.
Do we want to put him on a tray so we don't have to carry the tray?
Yeah, or put it back on. We have tray.
I have tray? Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna lay these out. How many did you get?
I just grabbed a handful. We'll see how many we
can fill.
can fill.
I think it should be 10 1 ounce ramekins because it's gonna be 6 milligrams, 6.2 milligrams each.
I don't even know. Because we put 16 ounces of liquid in there, and if those are at 1 ounce, then it's 16.
Yeah, sorry. So we're gonna be doing 16 servings, just 1 ounce, 16 1 ounce ramekins, and it should put us at 6.2 milligrams per shot.
Yes.
It's like medicine.
Here you go, honey.
Wow, she hitting that line perfectly every time.
I feel like this was so easy, like too easy. We're all about efficiency over here.
For sure. I definitely don't want to be doing that later. And then like all the fridge juice gets in it.
I know.
For smell.
It starts tasting like cheese and
Yuck.
broccoli and onion.
Did your parents ever like pack you lunch for school when you were a kid? But like they put like beef jerky in the same bag, like not even in the same bag, in the same like lunchbox as like cheese crackers, and then you are trying to eat the cheese crackers and they just taste like beef.
Beefy. I feel like my parents, I didn't ever experience that, but my parents would like cut up like veggies and then use the same knife to cut up fruit.
Ugh.
And so then my orange just tasted like onion.
The onion orange.
Ugh.
Onion watermelon is crazy.
Or like my apple tasted like garlic. Criminal.
My mom was like always trying to like figure out how she can more like be more like health conscious with her food. And so I feel like high school is when she kind of found out about coconut oil, and she was like, I'm gonna cook with that. I'm gonna cook everything in that. And she used to like make me scrambled eggs in the morning for breakfast. And I'd be like, stop putting coconut oil in my eggs. I can taste it. And then she'd be like, okay. And then the next morning she makes the eggs and they have coconut oil in them.
That just sounds so gross. Like how much coconut oil are we talking about? Like enough to grease the pan?
Yeah. But enough. It's still
yeah.
taste.
Yeah, it's just gross.
She's like, you can't taste it. Yes, I can.
She's like gaslighting it. So we got some left over.
Oh shit. We can make some more.
Maybe it's from the ice.
I guess it doesn't matter how, I was gonna say how much was in it when we mixed it all up and the ice melted, but it really doesn't matter. We can just do the math after we pull them out.
I've only ever had like alcoholic Jello shots. I wish I knew about these whenever I was in my party phase, because these would be super lit.
I know, something about me is still revolted about the fact that it's Jello shots, but I'm like have to push past it mentally, like, wait, no, it's not gonna taste like shit.
Or just like bring you back to the time where you just like got almost black. Oh, I said blackout and the lights turned off.
And the lights are off. Shout out to Lights 4079.
We're just gonna keep the show going.
Yes.
Girl.
It's disrespectful every time.
So just like, oh, now you want to turn on. This one would probably be a full ounce if I didn't spill so much when we were pouring it into the cup.
Yeah,
So
like that.
yeah,
We'll count it as one for sure.
for sure. Someone's gonna be eating it.
For dosing purposes, we'll count it as one. And then I need just a few more lids. Thanks.
I'll put it in the fridge for 4 hours.
Hey.
Yeah, it says for best results, it's recommended for 2 to 4 hours, but they can freeze in about 30 minutes.
Okay, let's fucking freeze it.
Yeah, we're gonna freeze it.
Definitely be careful if you guys are doing this on top of white countertops, because they will stain, especially the cranberry color. So we've just been making sure to wipe as we go. So voila.
Our Jello mix made 21 shots. That's about 4.7 milligrams per 1 ounce shot. And we're gonna go ahead and stick these bad boys in the fridge.
We're just gonna let them firm up for a few hours, probably until Monday, because it's a Friday and we don't work on the weekend. If you wanted to put them in the freezer, you could, but from what we were reading online, you would have to just consume them pretty fast after taking them out of the freezer. So just keep that in mind. It might make the consistency a little bit weird, but if you're in a pinch, you could do it, but we're not gonna do that today.
All right, so these bad boys are gonna be going into the fridge for
Like 72 hours, at least 48.
yeah, at least 48 hours. It says online to just do 6 hours. You can do it overnight, but I'm sure a couple days is not gonna hurt.
Sweet. Love that.
All right, so check back in 48 hours.
I thought you were gonna do that one.
48 hours later.
All right, y'all, it has now been 48 hours since we put our Jello shots in the fridge. It's time to check them out and see how they're doing. Here they are.
They look good. No liquidiness.
I know. Let's do a close up. So I think for Jello shots, you're supposed to like squeeze the thing.
Yeah, you're supposed to like give it a little crush. And then you can't even like...
Yeah, it's like coming out of the side. Let's have him kiss. Are we gonna take it?
I mean, we can. Aren't you supposed to like throw your little finger in it
Are you?
to get it like loose?
Okay.
I feel like he's gonna fall on the ground. Maybe get like the wider ram kids if you made this at home. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Let's just try real quick.
Yeah. The taste is great.
That is amazing. Okay,
Taste is great.
bottoms up.
Cheers.
I took my shot, but I still have a lot.
Yeah, me too. I think when it's alcohol, it helps it like not be so Jello, but we just kind of put Jello in a cup.
What is that on the bottom? You can taste that?
The bottom.
The bottom of like the cup?
What?
I'm gonna have to lick it. It's kind of rough on the bottom. Do you put sugar? What do you put in here again? Oh, it could just be the Jello mix, like settling.
Maybe, but it was like boiling.
But that taste, I just felt like a little roughness. That was really, really good though.
Yeah, she was delicious.
Kind of one another.
Don't mind if I do. Another one.
No, we shouldn't. The ramekin logo in the Jello shot. Word.
I like that.
Whoa.
I just drop it on the floor.
It looks like ketchup.
So they look pretty delicious, but I guess now it's time for the taste test.
The taste test. All right, you just gotta dig a little bit, y'all.
Give her a little swirl. That's really good.
Cheers, bestie.
Cheers.
Oh, you're not supposed to chew, but I chew every time.
Oh, you're not supposed to chew? Oh, I feel like I would choke if I didn't chew.
You just slam it back.
I guess that's fair. It's so slippery. It just goes right down. I always chew Jello shots. No worry.
That's just a great flavor. Cranberry orange, like, I'm pleasantly surprised.
Maybe we should try to do it with a Sunnies next time for a double dose batch.
Sunnies would be good. Maybe strawberry lemonade Sunnies and then a lime flavored Jello
Yeah,
for like strawberry limeade.
that would be so good. And then maybe we can figure out a way to make it not so... Maybe we just need different ramekins, like the flatter ones. But it was kind of hard to take because like alcohol kind of like thins out the Jello shots and it just makes it like more like slippery and like hate that. But I mean, overall,
Yeah.
they were delicious and I definitely would recommend.
Me too. I don't know what we're gonna do with all these Jello shots. Another successful infusion video with Restart recipes.
Should we both be doing that?
I don't know. If y'all enjoyed this video, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscribe. Tell us we're doing a good job. Oh,
Yeah, I can't do that.
The good news is the lid stay on, so
Yeah.
love carrot.
And honestly, with it being a little thicker, it didn't go everywhere. If that was a regular Jello shot, maybe not the same story.
Yep.
THC wins again.
THC 1, alcohol 0. Uh-oh.
Or trash. Whoa. Oh, I guess we did have an uneven number, huh?
Yeah, 21. Y'all leave in the comments what we should do with these other Jello shots. Give them to customers, give them to random people on the street.
So just to recap, that made about 21 Jello shots. They're roughly 4 3/4 milligrams of Delta-9 THC each. But yeah, get creative with the flavors. Then we also have the pineapple batch and the strawberry batch. And then Jello has like, I don't know, a million different flavors. So
Yeah.
try it out. Try it with our other beverages. Go crazy. We're probably going to try it with some other combinations here soon too. But
So stay tuned.
yeah, stay tuned. And then comment below what you want us to do next.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
Bye.